I don't know how I should say it. In my mind there's every word that they don't wanna hear. I don't know how they might take it. Maybe you can take the pressure and make it disappear. Throw out the inhibition. You make me feel the feeling that I've never felt before. I don't know if they're gonna like it, but that only makes me want it more. 'Cause I'm nobody's but yours. If it's me and if it's you, and if our love is wrong, then I don't ever wanna be right. I don't ever wanna be right. If it's real and if it's true, and if our love is wrong, I don't ever wanna be right. Why would I need their permission?
You've never seen anything like me. Have my dragon ready when I return, or I will destroy everything you love.
This is a new kind of enemy, and I underestimated him. Now that's on me, but I will not do that again.